Hi students. So this is Dr.J.Jaya, Associate Professor in AC Department. So today we are going to discuss a problem based on Routh criteria. Now you will see the problem. Find the range of values of K for which the system would be stable. They given the characteristics equation s power 3 plus 3 into s square plus 7s plus k is equal to 0. So in this problem, what we have to do now? First of all, we have to form a Routh array. What is meant by Routh array? Routh array is nothing but arranging the coefficients of characteristics equation in array. So that is Routh array. So first step, you have to form a Routh array. After that, you have to find out the value of k. So that thing only how to do here. Okay. So here, next step, you have to find out the coefficients of this characteristics equation. Now you see, the coefficient of s power 3 is a naught. Then the coefficient of s square is a1. Then coefficient of s power 1 is a2. Coefficient of s power 0 is k. That is a3. So therefore, from this, we can write, you know that already I told you. One second. So this is the coefficient of a0. So that's why you see s power 3 coefficient is 1. So therefore here I wrote a0 is equal to 1. Similarly, s square coefficient is a1. So a1 is equal to 3. Then s power 1 coefficient is a2. So a2 is equal to 7. Then s power 0 coefficient is k. So that is a3. So from this we can tell a0, a1, a2, a3. So this 4 are the coefficients of this characteristics equation. Then next, we have to arrange this coefficient. How to arrange this coefficient? Now, this is very simple. Then you take, this is the Routh array. So here the highest power of s is 3. So therefore you start write s power 3, s square, s power 1, s power 0. Then after that you have to arrange your coefficient. How to arrange is very simple. I told you. The first row, you have to arrange your even coefficients. You know that even coefficient means A0, A2, A4, A6, A8, A10, like that, etc. Okay, clear? The next row, you have to arrange the odd coefficient of your characteristics equation. Odd coefficient means A1, A3, A5, A7, A9, etc. Okay, so in this problem, we are having the coefficients up to A3, A0 to A3. So among this, A0, A2 is even coefficient, A1, A3 is odd coefficient. So that's why here you see what I wrote, 1, A0 value is 1, A2 value is 7, then A1 value is 3, A3 value is k. So first I arrange this value. After that, I have to find out the row 3 first element. Then how to find out the row 3 first element? This is very simple. Then first you have to do upward multiplication. That means 3 is multiplied with 7 minus downward direction. 1 is multiplied with k. Then next you have to take this base value. So therefore 3 into 7 minus 1 into k divided by 3. 3 7s are 21 minus k divided by 3. So this is a value for the first element of your row 3. Then second element there is no value. So therefore we will put 0. Then next I am coming to the last row. I will find out this last row value. This is also very simple. Already I told you first you have to do the upward direction multiplication. So therefore 21 minus k divided by 3 is multiplied with k minus of 3 into 0 divided by this base value. That is 21 minus k divided by 3. So you see 21 minus k divided by 3. This 21 minus k divided by 3 get cancelled. So 3 into 0, 0. So therefore we will have only the k value. Correct? Okay. Now you see this column 1. So this is your column 1. So in the column 1, you are not having any sign changes. Okay, for example, what is the sign changing, ma'am? You are telling that there is no sign changes. For example, So this is plus 1. Let us assume minus 3. Then plus. Then for example, suppose if you are getting minus k now you see this is positive to negative. This is one sign change. Similarly, this negative to positive, this is another sign change. Okay, similarly, this positive to negative. How many sign changes are having? Totally 3 sign changes. So therefore, if you are having any sign changes now, then we can call that particular system as unstable system. But here in the first column, all the elements are positive. So therefore, we can tell the system is stable. Already they given the problem. In the problem itself, they given the system is stable. No need to find out whether it is a stable or unstable. Okay, because it is already given. But from this, what we are going to conclude? All the elements are positive. So therefore, we can write k is greater than 0. From this, we can write 0 is less than k. Then after that, I'm moving to the next step. That is a previous stage or previous row. 21 minus k divided by 3 is greater than 0 because we want the range of k value. For that, we are moving to the next step, correct? Okay. So 21 minus k divided by 3 greater than 0. So this we can write it as 21 minus k greater than 0 because 0 is multiplied with 3. 0 into anything 0. So that's why here I wrote 21 minus k greater than 0. Next line I can write 21 greater than k. So 21 is greater when compared to k. That means what is the meaning? K is less than. Okay, that is the meaning, correct? So therefore I can write k is less than 21. So therefore from this, so based on this 2 points, now you see 0 is less than k, then k is less than 21. So from this 2, we can conclude 0 less than k, 0 less than k, less than 21, less than 21. So this is a range of k value. Suppose if your k value exceeding this limit now, then automatically that system goes to unstable system. So this is a conclusion. So in this way only how to find out your k value. And sometimes in this problem they given directly the characteristics equation. Sometimes some of the problem they will give C of S divided by R of S. So in that case, first you have to form the characteristics equation. How to find out the characteristics equation? That is very simple. 1 plus G of S into H of S is equal to 0. So using this formula, you have to find out your characteristics equation. After forming the characteristics equation only, you have to form your Routh array. After forming a Routh array only, you have to find out the range of your k value. So this is a procedure. I think this video is useful for you. Thank you all.